हेलो फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने क्वेश्चन 2 का फर्स्ट सम देख लिया था, बराबर। क्वेश्चन 2 फर्स्ट सम। नाउ चेक योर टेक्स्ट बुक। चेक योर टेक्स्ट बुक। In our question number 2, there are 4 sums, 1 sum over, and question is about कि left side equations are given like this, and if answer is right side, so it is a solution. But like question 1, left side to right side answer not possible, then it is not a solution of the given differential equation. ओके, चलो तो अगर हमें आंसर मिल रहा है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? इट इज ए सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, अदरवाइज नॉट सॉल्यूशन। ओके, चलो तो फर्स्ट में तो हमें नहीं मिला। नाउ सेकेंड, मैं यहां पर आंसर नहीं लिख रहा हूं, मीन्स कि जो राइट हैंड साइड है वो मैं यहां पर नहीं लिख रहा हूं, बट वी हैव आई हैव योर टेक्स्ट बुक एंड यू आल्सो टेक्स्ट बुक, सो यू कैन चेक कि व्हाट इज द आंसर। ओके, चलो तो एक देख लेना है आपको कि भाई अवर डेरिवेशन इज अप टू dy बाई dx और d स्क्वायर y बाई dx स्क्वायर, वैसे हमें प्रोसेस करनी है। ठीक है, चलो तो इन द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन d स्क्वायर y बाई dx स्क्वायर, देन माइनस 2dy बाई dx एंड प्लस 2y इक्वल 0। अगर हमें आंसर मिलेगा तो इट इज ए सॉल्यूशन। नाउ दिस इज ए इक्वेशन नंबर 1। नाउ टेकिंग द डेरिवेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, फर्स्ट टाइम डेरिवेशन हमें d स्क्वायर y बाई dx स्क्वायर तक जाना है, तो वी विल टेक 2 टाइम डेरिवेशन, हियर फर्स्ट टाइम डेरिवेशन। ओके, चलो तो dy by dx and other side product rule, e raised to x as it is, and derivation of bracket a and derivation of cos is minus sine plus b and derivation of sine is cos plus bracket as it is, a cos plus b sine as it is, and derivation of first term e raised to x is e raised to x. Okay, dy by dx equal to, जितना हो सके उतना हम कम करेंगे। कैन वी पुट हियर y e raised to x, a cos plus b sin e raised to x, a cos plus b sin, it is our y, so e raised to x bracket minus a sin x plus b cos x and plus y, and this is our number 2. Now taking the second time derivation. Now second time derivation is d square y by dx square. Here product rule. Okay, so e raised to x as it is, and derivation of bracket minus a, derivation of sine is cos, and b cos is minus sine. So first term as it is and derivation of second term over. Now second term as it is and derivation of first term means plus second term minus a sin x plus b cos x as it is, and derivation of first term e raised to x is e raised to x, and plus y is dy by dx. ओके, चलो अभी हमें पूरा आंसर मिलना चाहिए। आंसर में y था, d स्क्वायर y बाई dx स्क्वायर है, y है, कहीं पर भी e raised to x एंड साइन कोस नहीं है। तो मैंने आपको फर्स्ट लेक्चर में भी बोला था जब हम 9.2 कर रहे थे कि इन योर लास्ट पार्ट वी कैन यूज बोथ द इक्वेशन 1 and 2 बोथ, both the equations we can use in our this part. So d square y by dx square equal to first term, here minus common, e raised to x and bracket a cos x plus b sin x, and e raised to x minus a sin plus b cos is in equation number 2. E raised to x minus a sin plus b cos equal to, we can put dy by dx minus y. So this term is equal to putting dy by dx minus y and plus dy by dx as it is. Now, this is a equation number 1 or not? E raised to x a cos plus b sin n, which is our y, and I must write here from equation 2. And now putting the equation 1 here, so d square y by dx square, this part is y but minus sin and y, dy by dx 2 times, so plus 2 times dy by dx and minus y, and here write the from equation number 1, and here also y because of equation number 1. Okay, so d square y by dx square, 2 dy by dx taking other side, so minus 2 dy by dx, and minus y minus 2y, other side becomes positive, so plus 2y and equal to 0. Now check the answer which is given in your textbook. D square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx and plus 2y equal to 0. Okay, answer is ready. So it is a solution of differential equation. ओके, चलो सेम प्रोसेस इन दी नंबर 3, एंड आंसर एक चेक करना है कि आपको कहां तक जाना है. डी वाई बाई डी एक्स की डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर, तो डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 9y माइनस 6 cos 3x. ओके, चलो तो दिस वन इज टेकिंग इक्वेशन नंबर 1. फर्स्ट टाइम टेकिंग द डेरिवेशन dy by dx, and other side product rule, x as it is. Derivation of sine is cos angle 3x and into 3. बराबर, x as it is, sine is cos angle 3x and into 3 plus sine 3x as it is, and x is 1. ओके, चलो अभी कोई वैल्यू यूज नहीं करनी है, डायरेक्टली टेकिंग द सेकेंड डेरिवेशन dy by dx. नहीं, सेकेंड टाइम डेरिवेशन तो डी स्क्वेयर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वेयर, डी स्क्वेयर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वेयर इक्वल टू, हियर अगेन प्रोडक्ट रूल बट 3 इंटू, अदरवाइज चलो 3x कंबाइन लेते हैं, 3x एज इट इज, डेरिवेशन ऑफ cos is minus sin 3x and into 3 plus cos 3x as it is, and derivation of 3x is 3 plus sin is cos angle 3x and into 3. Now putting equation 1 and 2 in this. Okay, try करते हैं. d square y by dx square equal to, चलो now x into sin 3x, बराबर, x into sin 3x equal to, we can put y, तो minus 3 into 3 minus 9 and into y. now जो हमारा आंसर है, आंसर हमारे पास होना चाहिए यहां पर. ओके, तो आंसर में क्या है, 6 टाइम cos 3x. ओके, हमें मिल रहा है 3 टाइम cos 3x प्लस 3 टाइम cos 3x, 6 टाइम cos 3x. और टेकिंग अदर साइड, सो d स्क्वेयर y बाई dx स्क्वेयर प्लस 9y माइनस 6 टाइम cos 3x एंड इक्वल टू 0. चलो नाउ चेक कि कोई प्लस माइनस मिस्टेक नहीं है ना. एग्जैक्ट आंसर plus 9y minus 6 tan cos 3x equal to 0. Okay, so it is a solution of differential equation. Okay, चलो तो 2 and 3 over. Hello friends, so 1, 2, 3 over. Next, taking the number 4. X square equal to 2y square log y, and check in your book कि our answer is up to dy by dx or d square y by dx square. So okay, there is only dy by dx. Okay, so only one time derivation, and this is number 1. Taking the derivation, x square is 2x equal to 2y square into log y. So 2y square as it is. Derivation of log y is 1 by y dy by dx plus log y as it is. Derivation of 2y square is 4y dy by dx. Okay. So what is our answer? Answer आपके पास होना चाहिए, क्योंकि this is a 9.2 method. X square plus y square into dy by dx minus xy and equal to 0. Okay, चलो तो here y cancel, so 2x equal to 2y dy by dx plus 4y log y dy by dx. Here y cancel. एक काम करते हैं, both this side 2 also cancel. 2 cancel, here 2 cancel, and here 2 left. बराबर? Y dy by dx plus 2y log y dy by dx and equal to 0. Now, in our answer there is a no log y. So now putting the value of log y here. So what is the log y? X square upon 2y square. So x equal to y dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx into log y, and log y equal to putting x square upon 2y square. Okay, so x equal to 1 time y cancel and 2 cancel, so y dy by dx plus x square by y dy by dx. Now y LCM and take other side. X equal to y LCM, so y square dy by dx plus x square dy by dx and whole divide y. Or take y other side, so here xy and dy by dx common, so bracket x square plus y square, xy taking other side, so x square plus y square dy by dx minus xy means x square plus y square dy by dx minus xy and equal to 0. I'll check the answer. This is a x square plus y square dy by dx minus xy and equal to 0. Okay, so here our question number 2 over. चलो तो question 1, बराबर. Question 1 is all about order and degree like 9.1, and question 2 4 sums all about 9.2. Just derivate and get the answer. If answer is ready, then at last write like this. It is a solution of the differential equation. Okay. So now question number 3. Okay. Question number 3 is arbitrary constant method. 9.3 exercise. number of arbitrary constant times number of derivations are possible, and at last must remove the arbitrary constant during the derivation. Okay, and here only a is an arbitrary constant. A is 2 time, but a is 2 time, it means not 2 arbitrary constant, only a is an arbitrary constant, so here allowed only 1 time derivation. Okay, so we have to remove a during the 2 time derivation. तो एक काम करते हैं, पहले expand कर देते हैं, तो a square cancel, so x square minus 2ax plus a square plus 2y square and equal to a square, and a square cancel. Now making the a single any one side, so 2ax taking other side, so x square plus 2y square and equal to 2ax. Now just taking the x downside, so here x plus 2y square by x and equal to 2a. Now taking the derivation both the sides. With respect to x. So, derivation of x is 1 plus 2 into bracket and here division rule. Downside x square and x as it is. Derivation of y square 2y dy by dx minus y square as it is, and derivation of x is 1 and other side 2a derivation is 0. Now x square LCM and cancel, so x square plus 2 multiply with the bracket, so 2 into 2 4xy dy by dx, 4xy dy by dx minus 2y square बराबर, ये डिवीजन रूल, x square LCM plus 2 inside multiply, तो 2 into 2 4xy dy by dx minus 2y square and equal to 0. डन. चलो तो करते हैं रंजम. 4xy dy by dx and this 2 term taking other side. Equal to 2y square minus x square. So dy by dx 4xy taking downside. So dy by dx equal to 1 time y cancel, 2 2s are 4, so y upon 2x minus x upon 4y. हाँ, ये भी आंसर आप रख सकते हो, ये वाला भी रख सकते हो, ये भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है, कोई भी आंसर लिखो, नो प्रॉब्लम. और अगर एमसीक्यू है तो आपको अरेंज करना होगा. डन. चलो तो हियर इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ओवर. ओके, hello friends, next taking the number 4. Prove that x square minus y square equal to c into x square plus y square whole square is the general solution of the differential equation where c is a parameter, means arbitrary constant. Okay, now just try to understand here. Like we can start with this equation. अगर आप यहां से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो आपको ये प्रूव करना होगा. तो फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन टू डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन मेथड इज डेरिवेशन. एंड अगर आप यहां से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो आपको ये प्रूव करना होगा. It means differential equation to general equation. तो इंटीग्रेशन मेथड. Both the methods are right and कोई भी यूज कर सकते हो आप. ओके चलो. तो अभी जो फाल जहां तक ऐसा है कहीं पर भी सी इज ए पैरामीटर तो यूज डेरिवेशन मेथड. ओके ये राइट होगा हमारे लिए. चलो तो एक्स स्क्वेयर माइनस वाई स्क्वेयर इक्वल टू सी इंटू एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस वाई स्क्वेयर होल स्क्वेयर वेर. हम यहां पर क्या लिखेंगे? सी इज एन आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट. पैरामीटर लिखो या आर्बिट्ररी लिखो दोनों एक ही है. ओके तो वी हैव टू रिमूव सी एंड वन टाइम डेरिवेशन पॉसिबल. एंड आंसर भी चेक करो. dx एंड dy आप dy बाय dx कंबाइन करोगे तो dy बाय dx ही मिला. इट मींस वन टाइम डेरिवेशन. ओके तो सी हाउ टू कीप सिंगल वन साइड. तो टेकिंग एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर अदर साइड. तो अप साइड एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. डाउन साइड एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर and equal to only c, and here taking the derivation with respect to x. तो derivate both the side with respect to x. Now we know that here division rule or not, and equal to 0. Okay. So derivation of c is 0, and here division rule left side. So downside x square plus y square whole square means x square plus y square whole power 4. And denominator as it is means x square plus y square whole square as it is. Into derivation of numerator 2x minus 2y divided by dx. 2x minus 2y divided by dx. Minus denominator square and denominator as it is. Derivation of numerator over minus. Now numerator as it is. It means x square minus y square as it is. Derivation of denominator. So 2 into x square plus y square into 2x plus 2y divided by dx. 2 into x square plus y square into 2x plus 2y divided by dx. And c derivation is 0. Now denominator other side multiply with the 0 to 0. Now what is the common from the numerator? So these two common and these two common. It means 2 common and cancel. And one time x square plus y square also common and cancel. So remaining terms are one time left here x square plus y square into x minus y divided by dx minus x square minus y square. Now these two and these two common and cancel. X square plus y square common and cancel. So directly this bracket left. 2x plus 2y divided by dx and equal to 0. चलो now multiply क्योंकि आपको dx and dy सेपरेट करना है. ओके तो x स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई विथ बोथ. तो x क्यूब माइनस x स्क्वायर y डिवाइड बाय dx. सेम प्लस y स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई विथ बोथ. तो xy स्क्वायर माइनस y क्यूब डिवाइड बाय dx. Now, x square multiply with both, but with minus sign. It means minus x square multiply with both. Minus 2x cube minus 2x square y dy by dx. Now minus minus plus y square multiply with both. So plus 2x y square plus 2y cube dy by dx and equal to 0. Okay? Here now x cube, single x cube and minus 2x cube minus x cube, xy square and plus 2xy 3xy square. Now all term dy by dx go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and other 4 terms like 2xy square, 2x cube, xy square, x cube वो तो हो गया. Now dy by dx तो minus x square y dy by dx and minus 2x square y dy by dx. So minus 1 time minus 2 time minus 3 time x square y dy by dx and minus y cube dy by dx plus 2y cube dy by dx. So 2y cube minus y cube plus y cube dy by dx and equal to 0. ओके चलो डेफिनेटली हमें dx एलसीएम लेना होगा बराबर. dx एलसीएम माइनस एक्स क्यूब dx प्लस 3xy स्क्वेयर dx माइनस 3x स्क्वेयर y dy plus y cube dy and whole dx other side 0. Okay, so these two term about dx and dx then bracket क्या ये आपका x cube minus 3xy square. तो if we take dx common तो minus x cube and plus 3xy square. We need x cube and minus 3xy square. तो minus dx common then bracket x cube minus 3xy square and here plus dy common ki minus dy common. If we take plus dy तो y cube minus 3x square y. Okay, y cube minus 3x square y तो plus dy common and then bracket y cube minus 3x square y and equal to 0. Or taking this term other side. So bracket y cube minus 3x square y dy equal to other side becomes plus x cube minus 3xy square dx. चलो proof is ready or not? dx left side लिखना है, dy right side लिखना है. Okay, तो taking other side it means this term equal to this term. तो x cube minus 3xy square dx equal to y cube minus 3x square y dy. Hello. So hence proved. Okay. Hello friends. Next taking the number 5. Okay. Find the differential equation of the family of circles in the first quadrant which touch the coordinate axis. So this is the exact sum about 9.3. 9. Same like 9.3. Circle वाला sum आपने देखे थे. So first we need the xy type equation of circle and then we will take the derivation. And after taking the derivation the answer is a differential equation. Okay, चलो तो first one take the radius, let r be the radius of the circle. Here circle touches both the axes in the first quadrant. So how to draw the diagram? Circle touches both the axes in the first quadrant. Our requirement is only first quadrant, so x and y. So this is our circle, and circle touches both the axes in the first quadrant. Okay. So this one is called radius or not? So this is a R. This is also R. So center becomes RR. ये आपकी 11th में थियरी थी कॉनिक चैप्टर में. ओके. Therefore center is RR and radius is R. Okay. This is R. This is also R. So center is RR. Okay. So equation of circle is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. hk is rr, center is hk and hk is rr and radius is r. So x minus h means r whole square plus y minus r whole square and equal to radius square. Radius is r, so r square. Okay. So here r is an arbitrary constant. So right here r is an arbitrary constant. ओके. चलो आइदर एक्सपांड. अगर आप एक्सपांड करोगे तो ओनली वन टाइम आर स्क्वायर कैंसिल. हमें तीनों बार रिमूव करना है ना. ओनली आर इज आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट, तो वी हैव ओनली वन टाइम डेरिवेशन. ओके. वन टाइम डेरिवेशन है, तीनों बार हमें रिमूव करना है. चलो तो डायरेक्टली टेकिंग द फर्स्ट टाइम डेरिवेशन. बराबर. डेरिवेट बोथ दी साइड्स with respect to x. So here 2 into x minus r plus 2 into y minus r dy by dx and equal to 0. But here 2 into x minus r, x is 1, r is 0. 2 into y minus r, y is dy by dx and r is 0, so only dy by dx. Okay, 2 common and cancel. X minus r plus y minus r dy by dx and equal to 0. So now we know that कि अगर आपसे कोई भी मेथड से आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट रिमूव नहीं हो रहा है तो क्या करोगे आप? फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट एंड पुट इन योर मेन इक्वेशन, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आर रिमूव हो जाएगा. तो फाइंडिंग नाउ वी नीड द वैल्यू ऑफ आर हियर. तो मस्ट सब्जेक्ट द आर, इट मींस x minus r and dy by dx multiply. So y into dy by dx minus r into dy by dx and equal to 0. r and r dy by dx both negative, taking other side so both becomes positive. So here x plus y dy by dx equal to r plus r dy by dx. Now here r common. So bracket 1 plus dy by dx equal to x plus y dy by dx. Hello, therefore r equal to x plus y dy by dx upon 1 plus dy by dx. Now, substituting the value of r in equation 1, putting the value of r in equation 1. Putting the value of r in equation number 1. Okay? So, x minus r whole square. X minus r. What is r? X plus y dy by dx. Upon 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Okay? Plus y minus r dy by dx. Y minus r. What is r? X plus y dy by dx. Upon 1 plus dy by dx. So y minus r and whole square equal to r square. So value of r and whole square. Our bracket r square x plus y dy by dx upon 1 plus dy by dx whole square. ओके चलो अभी हमें सिंप्लीफाई करना है. Obviously not expansion first in the particular bracket take the LCM. तो आपका LCM क्या होगा? 1 plus dy by dx multiply with dx and upon dy 1 plus dy by dx. Same here 1 plus dy by dx multiply with dy and upon 1 plus dy by dx and this term as it is. Then denominator क्या होगा आपका? 1 plus dy by dx. तो same whole square means numerator whole square and denominator also whole square. तो denominator whole square means 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Here also 1 plus dy by dx whole square. And this bracket whole square means here also 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Both the side cancel. So direct step. Just here multiply. So bracket x multiply with both. X plus x dy by dx minus x minus y dy by dx. Whole square plus okay x plus x dy by dx minus x minus y dy by dx upon 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Same here upon 1 plus dy by dx whole square and 1 plus dy by dx whole square other side both the side cut. चलो same y multiply y plus y dy by dx minus x minus y dy by dx whole square equal to only numerator square x plus y dy by dx whole square. Okay, चलो here x cancel, here y into dy by dx cancel. So here left x dy by dx minus y dy by dx and whole square. So dy by dx taking outside and taking outside with the square. So dy by dx only dy by dx common but with power common. So dy by dx whole square. So bracket x minus y whole square plus y minus x whole square equal to x plus y dy by dx whole square. चलो now we know that कि whole square अगर whole square है तो either write the y minus x or x minus y in the whole square same, y minus x whole square and x minus y whole square both same. So first write here x minus y whole square dy by dx whole square into x minus y whole square plus here we can write x minus y whole square equal to x plus y dy by dx whole square. चलो from left side what is the common? X minus y whole square common. So bracket dy by dx whole square plus 1, it means 1 plus dy by dx whole square and equal to x plus y dy by dx whole square. And here is your answer. Ready? तो ये था आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Here our this lecture is over. We will meet in our next lecture with the question number 6.